everyone, in today's video I will show you how to replace your rear camera lens, how to add extra protection to it, and also how to replace the screen protector of your phone so you can keep your device safer for longer term. Watch this video till the end and learn how to do it.
Firstly, apply some isopropyl alcohol around the lens to loosen the adhesive. Next, if the lens isn't already broken, carefully break it to create shards for easy removal. Use straight tweezers to gently remove the glass shards. Be careful not to scratch the camera. Apply more isopropyl alcohol and use a metal spatula to clean up any leftover residue. Use some cotton buds soaked in isopropyl alcohol to clean the edges of the camera before applying the new lens. Now attach the new lens. And please remember, the iPhone 14 Pro Max has a unique black border. Each lens have a specific border, so refer to the image for guidance. For adding extra protection, please consider using premium metal rings over the lenses. They won't affect photo quality, but they will protect your cameras way better. Clean the lenses with a microfiber cloth and use a dust removable sticker to preparing them for protector rings. Now the final step is to add extra protection to your display. Before applying the protection glass, clean your screen with a wet tissue, dry it with a microfiber cloth, and use a dust remover sticker before applying the glass film. And finally, you can now test the cameras to ensure it focuses and the image is not blurry. There you have it. Your iPhone is ready to go. If you liked this video, please give us a like, comment, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.